only reason I came to Canada is to get this truck, and the only reason I'm getting this truck is because of you.
Hello, I'm Greg from RVHaulers, and I have two very special people here that have been full-timing for the last almost 6 years, 5 years.
5 years.
For sure.
This is Kim and Eric, and they have just picked up their RV hauler Fisher. And we're going to talk to them, and we're also going to hear about some of the cool things they've been doing in their full-timing adventures and some of the secrets and discoveries that they've made in their full-timing travels. Join us in this video if you're interested. So Eric, what do you say when you close the hood? What do you say when we close the hood?
Closing the hood.
Closing the hood.
Closing the hood.
But Kim has her own style.
Get away from my truck!
I like it.
Sound angry. She sounds angry. Just relax a little bit, honey. It's gonna be fine.
I don't want a bunch of men running around our campsite.
Oh my goodness.
That was the smart car alarm. I left it on.
Thanks, Greg. Blast. You get the other one out, babe. Well, I'm just swept out that. Can you put this thing in there for me? Do this.
How about like a kiss or something, or a high five?
Mwah. Did you not get that on video?
No, I didn't get it on video.
You have to do it again.
Wow.
You're gonna be doing it for years. What?
Yes, sir. Look at that. That is purdy.
So did that help with the white lines?
Absolutely. And I was afraid that using the camera was going to change my perspective of coming back, but it works perfectly. Works perfectly.
Good job.
And you see it put it into 2
Yep.
with this even fuller. Press the down arrow.
Down to 1.
And you hear how the engine does a little revvy.
Yep.
Yeah.
Brakes off.
Brakes on.
Hold it.
Squeezing the lever.
Yep.
Foot's off. We're going to do about a half a rotation. So just...
There it is.
Right there it is. There's the tug test.
Yep.
Mission accomplished.
Well, you don't have to. I'm telling you, once you get up here, and it tracks really great. This is awesome. Wow. I did not expect it to be this smooth. Our truck is not this smooth.
Really?
Jeez, I mean, why are you sitting forward? Sit back.
I don't know.
as it goes. It's a good way of losing weight.
That's right. And I think I'm going to be losing a lot of weight.
The good thing is, though, it still costs the same per gallon, whether you buy 100 gallons or 10 gallons.
That's right.
So Kim is now going to demonstrate how you can back into a parking spot with like a foot to spare on either side. Here we go. Okay, here we go. No spotters, nothing but mirrors. Backing in a 30-foot motorhome in there. Okay, how did you back in there? Like a glove. You gotta, by the way, you stay back there now.
That's right.
This lady drives.
That's right. That's right.
That's wicked.
That was awesome.
That's awesome. Let's go hit some mailboxes.
All right, let's go hit some mailboxes.
Here we go. Here come my favorite mailboxes. We're gonna try to get as close as we can to them without hitting them. If we do, I'll just edit it out.
Okay, good.
But we're gonna try
And
to.
then we'll run,
We're-
not tell anybody.
We're gonna creep up as close as we can, just keeping the truck straight. And when you think we gotta turn at the last minute, we're gonna see if we make her. Okay. So how far away do you think we are? Is that maybe 25 feet? No, it's maybe 20 now. Like, look how close it is to the hood.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Okay, let's crank her and see how close we clear them. We still cleared them by 6 feet. We still can't hit the mailboxes. Let's do some more backing up. Practice. Here goes Kim. Around the corner, backing up.
That was awesome. I backed the truck up and hitched it up to the trailer.
And how many
It took 100 times.
How many times have you done that before?
Never.
Now, I first started talking to both these folks it's been months.
Yeah, it's been months.
It's been months.
It's been months.
And we were looking for the perfect starting truck, and then we were thinking about other RVHauler candidates like Duck
Right.
and Gandalf.
We've been all over the
We've-
place.
Yeah.
We've been batting around all kinds of different ideas, and we ended up with Fisher.
Sure.
But you folks have been full-timing for 5 years, and you've been doing it with a pickup truck. It's been doing the job.
Yep.
Why are we here today?
We travel so much and we travel apart because I still need to work and I need to have a car to go to work. So we travel separately and I follow him with the trailer he's driving the trailer. I follow him and we never get to experience the scenery or anything like that together. So
You said you'd be on the radio. Oh, did you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's
That's
like,
not
oh,
very fun. That's
Okay.
not very fun. And, you know, we did this 5 years ago with the thoughts of being able to explore, while we're still working, be able to explore. And this right here, this unit right here gives us the opportunity to do it. You know, everybody talks about the safety aspect, and it's absolutely true, but what really drew us to this was the ability to be together as we travel. And it does, because we can have a car on the back of it, right? We can have the smart car on the back of it. So it really works out for us.
What else do you think people need to know? We've finished spending, well, 3 days together, and we've done all kinds of different stuff.
All kinds of stuff. Don't
What-
be afraid.
Oh, okay.
That would be the biggest thing for me. Don't be, it's huge, but don't be afraid of it, because it's not that scary once you get in it.
Greg, I can tell you that like I said, we've been on the road for 5 years. I've had my 350 for almost 6 years. Kim's driven it twice with white knuckles. I saw her up in this thing right here, carrying on conversations with you. Her knuckles were nice and pink. It looked great. I mean, first of all, I'm so proud of her. I'm so proud of her.
Thanks.
Good. Yeah, so, and I'll say this and I'll say it, if she can do it, knowing that we've been traveling forever, if she can do it, anybody can do it. Don't be afraid of these things. These things protect you. These things are like driving a car. I like this better than her personal vehicle, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
It's really comfortable. Very comfortable to drive, very comfortable to sit in. When I drive in my car, because I have some back issues, I have to lean back. I can't sit straight up. In this, I don't have to do that. It's that comfortable that it doesn't hurt my back to sit up and drive.
We're up in Canada, right? I've never been to Canada. The only reason I came to Canada is to get this truck, and the only reason I'm getting this truck is because of you. So
Wow.
we appreciate that.
It's been fun 3 days.
It's been a blast.
It really has.
really has.
We've had a chance to visit too and get to know each other. I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
You did awesome driving, right? We hooked up a fifth wheel for the first time. We loaded a Smartie off and on and off and on. We've done all that.
Yeah.
How does Fisher look? Right? I mean, you guys bought something at a huge distance.
Yeah.
And this wasn't a Starbucks coffee.
Right.
Right? We're talking a lot of money
Yeah.
that you saved to make this happen.
Yeah.
He looks amazing.
How's it look?
Looks amazing.
It's amazing.
You got to realize, man, this vehicle is 16 years old, and it drives and looks amazing. When you had me put my foot into it, and I'm going 60 miles an hour, and I'm like, he wants me to do 80 something miles an hour, and I know what my 350 feels like. It feels like it's going to shake all over the road. This was like it was no different than driving, from 50 miles an hour. It felt the same at 80 miles an hour.
It looks good and it drove well.
Oh yeah, it's so easy to drive. I had no idea it would be this easy to drive.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Can't wait to get out there with it.
Kate, I'm making you talk, and I'm between you and the road.
I don't know if you're making us talk. We really, I'm glad that you're doing this, because we were apprehensive, and we want people to know, whoever sees this video, that it's attainable, it's doable, and it's actually easy. It
Yeah.
really is.
And as a-
I don't want to make it sound too easy, but it is very easy.
Yeah. And as a female, it's very empowering to be able to feel like you can do this well.
What are there any other messages about your lifestyle that you would want to share with people?
So I find that people that you interact with that don't know the lifestyle kind of think that you're gypsies and you're,
Yeah.
that you're doing this for a financial reason but it's not that. It's not that. We have chosen this lifestyle because we didn't want to wait for retirement to see things, because you're not guaranteed your next day. You're not guaranteed that. So we
Or your
wanted,
health,
or
or
your
the
health,
fact
or
that you
anything
can
like-
walk well. And
Right.
we want to be able to do it while we have all that
Yeah,
stuff.
and we just encourage people that if this is something you want to do, find a way to do it. Find a way to do it, because you may not be able to do it tomorrow.
Even if it's just in your own backyard.
Yeah.
Like, states are so huge. Even if you just travel around your own state, weekend trips here and there, just do that, because
Yep.
not every place is the same.
Yeah, that's our message to people.
I want to thank Kim and Eric for taking a few minutes to share their experience over the last few years and their wisdom. Thank you for trusting me to put together Fisher for you folks.
Thank you. We love him. we love
you,
we love
man.
Gregg, but we love Fisher too.
Well, we're going to go hug it out. I'm Gregg from RV Haulers. Thanks for watching the video all the way to the end. If you've subscribed, thank you, subscribers, for continuing to support my small, niche, little business. If you are able to share this video with others, or comment, or if you have questions for these folks, I would encourage you to put them down below in the description. I'm going to make sure that these folks get to see all those questions and respond to them. There, I put you on the spot.
There, we'll answer him.
We'll answer them.
Thanks for watching, everybody. I'm Gregg from RV Haulers. Please drive safe.
Bye.